Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video we have an unboxing from SpeedCubeShop.com. Okay, so this package has become quite wet in the rain. However, we have a bunch of stuff here, Lunar, all this stuff, and some cubes, and some more lubes. So here we've got a square one, a Skewb, and a 6x6. However, this 6x6 is not going to be unboxed by me. It's going to be unboxed by a special guest. Spoiler, it's just my sister. But anyways, let's begin with this Skewb. Let's just go ahead and open it up. This is a Cosmic Aoyan Skewb, which is really good, I'm assuming. I've seen a review on it. It looks great. And let's open this up. Weirdly enough, I'd requested for some indented caps. However, I didn't get them. Guess this is fine. Let's do first turns. Yep, this is pretty gummy out of the box. Not pretty gummy, it's very gummy out of the box. Yep, I can barely turn it. Quite slow. It's pretty decent. However, I know it will require a lot of breaking in, and therefore I now have to become a proper Skewb god. Pratik Khanna, if you're watching this, please help me. I need to become sub 4. Corner cutting is pretty decent, I'd say. Let's check this out. Yep, it seems pretty heavily lubed. Pretty gummy out of the box. That's the thing I can say. However, it feels quite smooth. Yep, I'm gonna really like this puzzle after break-in. That's all I can say. I really want to start square one, and I felt like getting a good score straight away would motivate me to practice the event. So I just went and bought the best one. Plastic wrap this time, and nothing else. I mean, I can solve a square one, but that's only if I look at the algorithm sheet. And of course, I'm not allowed to look at algorithm sheets during comps. So let's just go ahead and do some first turns. This is also really gummy. Yep, it's quite gummy out of the box. It's so quiet. I doubt you guys can even hear it. It's really slow out of the box and gummy, but let's hope with breaking in it'll become much better. Right now I can't really say much. This feels much more premium than my Little Magic Square one. Yep, I guess that's about it for this. This is my first time doing square one in a long time. So yep, let's just go ahead and move on to the next thing. So next up, here we've got a bunch of lubes. This is the 3cc Martian. This is a 3cc Lunar. This is Nebula, and this one is Galaxy. Not really much I can say about these as of now. However, these seem pretty decent from what I've heard.
The last cube in here is a 6x6.
Yes, it's the Supernova MGC 6x6. I'll just help you open it. Okay, just pull it. And here it is. And the plastic wrap, I'll just open it for you and then you can do the turns, okay? Okay, here you go. Oops, this got stuck. Put the cube in the frame, please. Okay, go for it.
Oh,
How's it?
It's really smooth.
Really? If you say so. Let me do some turns now. Oh, this is actually very good. She's right. It's better than my other 6x6 I have, which is just a Wuhua V1. And it's pretty lubey on the outside. You can see it's oily. You want to say something more about it? Here, you can do some turns.
So
is it too big for your hand?
A bit.
Okay, anyways. This is pretty smooth, better than every other 6x6 I currently have. I mean, I just have one. The magnets here are pretty medium strength. Here also medium strength, and here they are a little stronger, but this feels very good. It's a little tight, but other than that it feels very good. What else do you think of it?
Well, it looks really nice, and since it's new, it looks really nice.
Really?
Also.
Okay. Anyways, the corner cutting is pretty good. Actually, no, it's not. It gets caught here. It's very tight. Second layers are also getting caught. Well, it's a very smooth puzzle, no doubt, but the performance isn't the best at the moment. So that's about it for my unboxing from SpeedCubeShop. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.